Hello students, in this video I'm going to cover question number 15, and in this what exactly we are going to learn? We are going to learn free body diagrams, the same thing which we have learned in question number 14, and the net force and all the four forces 1, 2, 3 and force and the F net. Yes or no? But the interesting thing is without friction. Without friction. That's why they highlighted this word frictionless surface. Okay, let's read the question and solve it one by one. Okay, in the classic problem, a hanging mass causes the acceleration of the second mass, which is resulting on a horizontal surface. Mass 1 is given and surface connected by a massless rope, and mass 2 is given. What we need to find the acceleration Okay, there are the two cases. Just solve them one by one and it is very easy. Take body 1. Let's say this is your body number 1. Okay, one force is this side. Can I say applied force? Yes or no? Applied force, which is equals to F net. Why? There is no friction. Friction force is 0. Clear? Okay, another thing. One force is up, which is called N, and one force is down, which is equals to mg. So now you can just balance them and you will get the answer. So for first case, can I say F is equals to m1a? This is for the x-axis, and for the y-axis, can I say N is equals to m times g, m1 times of g. Is it fine? Okay, I'll just do it again. I'll write again in a proper way. M1G. Clear? Okay. Now what you need to solve? The second part. This is the body number 2. And this is the body number 2 like this. And here is M2. So we have here M2G. Where the body is going on? It is going downward. So if means F net we have, and upwards we have the word called tension. Who is bigger? M2G is bigger than tension. So can I say M2G minus tension is equals to F net, M2A. Is it fine? Okay, in case 1, can I, instead of force, can I say, because there is a wire, this is the wire, can I say word called tension? Okay, so I'm going to give you a trick, trick. In all the questions, just take body 1, find tension. What is the trick? Body 1, find tension. Body 2, find tension and equate them. Make them equal, just. This is the only thing. So here is the tension, here is the tension. Place the value M2G minus M1A from here equals M2A. So what we are looking for? We are looking for the acceleration. Okay, take it this side. M2G equals M2A plus M1A. So acceleration is M2G divided by M1 plus M2. Clear? Now whatever the values are given, you can place it. M1 is 3 kg, M2 is 1.3 kg. Okay, so now just place the values and solve it. So what we have, 1.3 divided by 3 plus 1.3 multiply 9.8. So acceleration is 2.97 meter per second square. Clear? Okay, easy. Aha, easy one, Atwood. Atwood machines, very easy, no need to just worry about these types of questions. This is something very easy, From case 1 and case 2, you can solve everything. In case 1, let's say it is going up. Okay, can I say this is the body and it is going up? Tension, and this is your M2G. Who is bigger? Because body is going up, so can I say tension is greater than M2G? Yes or no? Now solve it. So T minus M2G is equals to F net, which is M2A. Find tension. So M2A plus M2G. So you will get M2 common, A plus G. I give you the shortcut, huh? Find the tension in both the cases and solve it. Second equation, what we have, the body is going down. M1A, this one, huh? M1A is going down and tension is up. So can I say M1A is greater than tension? M1A minus tension is equals to F net M1G. Sorry, here is G, huh? G. So M1A. So what is the value of tension here? M1G minus M1A equals to tension. This is your equation number 2. This is your equation number 1. Make them equal and solve it. So from equation 1 and 2, can I say M2A plus G equals M1G minus M1A. Okay, just separate them, huh? M2A plus M2G equals M1G minus M1A. Place what you need to do, A side one side, huh? G one side, and G should be one side. Okay, so that you can find the acceleration. So take M1A this side, M2A plus M1A equals M1G minus M2G. Take the A common, M2 plus M1 here, G common, M1 minus M2. So A is equals to G times M1 minus M2 divided by M2 plus M1 or M1 plus M2. This is your acceleration. Clear? Easy. So you just need to check the directions of the question. Nothing new. Nothing new. Okay, this is something interesting one, huh? And I will write important. This is something important. 4 weights, mass M1, M2, M1, M2, M3, M4 are hanging from the ceiling. They are connected with rope. What is the tension in the rope connecting masses M1 and M2? Guys, what exactly we are looking for in this question? We are looking for the tension. So we know, let's say, take a simple body. This is the simple body. So we say this is the tension and we say this is the mg. Yes or no? Okay, what he said, connecting masses of m1 and m2. So this is the wire m1 and m2, means m2 for us, m2 is the body. So whatever the mass is down, just take it all values. So can I say T is equals to m2 and below that all the masses m2 plus m3 plus m4 times of g. Balance it, because no net force. Why? The body is not going anywhere. It is connected. It is hanging. Clear? So just place the value, you can find the tension. So T is equals to 3.80 plus 10.70 plus 4.20 multiply with 9.81. Your answer is 183 Newton. Clear? This question, it has two parts. Okay, one is the slider and one is going down. Once you understand just the equations, you can solve this question in a very easy way. First, we need to understand, let's say the body is going up. Yes or no? So it means here, whatever the word is called tension, it is greater than this force. So can I say tension is greater? Yes or no? Okay, first thing you understand, tension is greater. In second case, the body is going down. So can I say M2G is greater than tension? Yes or no? Sure. Okay, so here tension is greater than backward force. Backward force, because there is no friction, that's why. Okay, now just solve it and the question is finished. So take the first part and do it like this. This is your body. Okay, now I already teach you this question number of times. Take this one, mg. Okay, here is angle theta. So solve two parts. One is like this and one is like this. So here should be the angle theta. So this will become your mg, okay, m1 na, m1 g cosine theta, and this will become m1g sine of theta, and n is always up. Clear? This is the first body. Now solve it, and here is your tension. So can I say tension is greater than m1g sine of theta? Okay. So what should be the statement? T minus m1g sine of theta is equals to m1a. Clear? So find the tension here. T is equals to m1a plus m1g sine of theta. Clear? Okay, along the y-axis, this is along x-axis. Okay, now y-axis. So y-axis is easy. Along y-axis, so what will you observe? N1 is equals to, you can say N1 or you can say the N. So N1 or N is equals to M1G cosine theta. Clear? Guys, in these types of question, there is no use of N. Question is why? No friction. No friction. So in case of friction, we are using the N. Clear here? First equation is clear. Now solve the body number 2. Okay. So body number 2, we know M2G is greater. Body 2. M2G is greater than tension. So can I say M2G minus T is equals to M2A? Yes or no? So can I say tension is equals to M2G minus M2A. So what I told you, the shortcut, find out the tension, equation number 1, equation number 2, and just place the value so that you can solve anything in the question. So place the value of tension. So can I say M1A plus M1G sine of theta is equals to M2G minus M2A. So what you need to make, same steps, A one side and G one side. So what is the answer? Okay, shift this side. So M1A plus M2A equals this one, this side, M2G minus M1G sine of theta. So can I say A M1 plus M2, here M2 minus M1 sine of theta multiply with G. So what is the value of acceleration? M2 minus M1 sine of theta multiply G divided by M1 plus M2. Clear? Fine. Okay. Clear? Okay, add a page here for you, and now you can solve all the things. So what he is asking, and just check all the things, huh? So what is given here? Mass 1 is given, frictionless, okay, over a frictionless surface, m2 theta. What we are looking for? M2. What we are looking for? M2. The massless moves, okay, at constant speed. So what is the keyword here, guys? Keyword is constant speed. If the velocity or speed is constant, so can I say A is equals to dv by dt? So v is equals to constant, then acceleration is equals to 0. We have the value A is equals to m2 minus m1 sine theta multiply g divided by m1 plus m2. Acceleration is 0. So what will happen? This will go this side, this will go this side, 0. So m2 minus m1 sine of theta is equals to 0. m2 is equals to m1 sine of theta. m2 is equals to m1 sine of theta. So place the value. m2 is equals to, what is the value of m1? 20 sine of 30 degrees. Solve this. Your answer is 10 kg. What is the value? 10 kg. Is it fine? Clear? Okay, now let's move to the next question. Okay, now Okay, now this is the last question. Two blocks are connected to a massless rope. As shown in the figure, block 1 has a mass 1 and mass 2. Two blocks are moves on a frictionless. Okay, a horizontal external force. Force is given. What is the tension? Okay, now this is something very interesting to understand this type of question. Why this is interesting? Because they are connected. First of all, you need to understand the free body diagram. Let's say this is the body 1 connected with body 2. Okay, I'm solving this as a free body diagram first, then I will solve the question for you. Let's say this is the body 1, this is the body 2. So for this body, this is the body M1. So here is the tension which is behaving like a applied force. Yes or no? Applied force. So T is your applied force. Here is nothing. So can I say case 1? Case 1. T is equals to your F net, which is equals to your M1A. Clear? This is your equation number 1. Now for body 2, let's say break the wire here. So you are applying force this side. So because of the mass of this is behaving in this direction. This is your tension. In opposite direction, yes or no? So can I say case 2, applied force F is greater than tension, so F minus T is equals to F net, which is M2A. This is your equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, can I say F is equals to, put the value of tension here, F is equals to, or F minus M1A is equals to M2A. So what is the force? Force is equals to M1A plus M2A. Find, you have the force now? Yes or no? Okay, you can find acceleration. A is equals to F divided by M1 plus M2. Clear? Why we find the acceleration? Because we are looking for tension, and this is the easiest formula for the tension. So can I say T is equals to M1 times of A, F divided by M1 plus M2. Yes or no? Now place the values and solve it. T is equals to, what is your M1? 1.267 divided by, what is M1? 1.267 plus, what is M2? 3.557. Yes or no? Multiply. What is the force? 12.61. So what is your answer of tension? T is equals to 3.312 Newton. Clear? Like this, you need to solve all of your question, guys. So guys, from my side, all the questions of your EOT are finished today. And from my side, I just want to tell you guys, whenever you are going to solve the question, just read your question carefully, very, very carefully, and then solve everything. So all the best, guys, and do your best in your exams. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.